Ye- Yes. I think this is the most misleading to the youth and distortion of history. When Bhagat Singh and B.K. Dutt went to the parliament, then it was about 6 months debate, which was finally being on two repressive laws, which was finally ending with the against the voting of the Indian parliamentarians by a ordinance. And then to raise the voice against such illegal act, or Bhagat Singh and Dutt stood there and they wanted to convey their ideas. Whereas this parliament, the 15th parliament, is one of the worst parliament in the Indian parliamentary history, which has been the most non-productive because of this hooliganism by the representatives who are supposed to conduct the business of legislation over there. If they have a difference, I think they have more channels to express on that instead of making themselves bogey heroes in the eyes of the people. And then that comparison is the most misleading because that is the people don't know. Yes, I think both his ideas and the way they wanted to project the total value system over there. It's a negation of that. I, to me, it looks like a cheap propaganda thing, and then trying to make himself hero without when you have no argument. If we see that our parliament's last 5 years performance over there, they have not acted for which the people have sent them after spending crores of rupees on each of them for making people's economic and political security and other issues. And this is just a show up. To me, this has not a seriousness in it. And the way it is, as you tell me, that it is being reflected shows it that they just want a kind of cheap popularity. They may have a difference of opinion. They must represent that. Now, I think that is the people have because there is economic crisis and there is a inequality in the approach to resolving the people. People have the right to form themselves. To me, there is nothing wrong in it. And if they have, and that means there is a one area which has been more favored in the past, want to keep its favored position at the cost of others. They must discuss it out instead of coming to that over there. Uh, No, that is one part is that, and then there was one value also which Bhagat Singh added, that he says that our idea is about the center of idea, which he repeated with the High Court also. It is the center of our idea is long live revolution and down with imperialism. This imperialistic design of the British was first time brought on agenda by Bhagat Singh and B.K. Dutt, and that was a forerunning ideas. And then they stood for it that, well, if we have done it, I'm ready to face it. And here people feel shy also of that, but at the same time, creating this type of gesture is very unfortunate. I think this is lack of ideas and performance which they try to cover by this type of cheap popularity and misleading the people about the history. That's what it looks to me like. Uh, my message to the people is that they must ask for the performance sheet of each MP of theirs, what he has done in 5 years, how much money he has drawn out of the labor of the people, and what work he has done as a parliamentarian, how much time he has spent, has he worked out, because they are given half lakh rupees per month to maintain an office, which means they must draw some legislations. Has there been some private legislation on that? And this is what is the only way to correct this system. The answerability of their performance, because we have paid them, their performance must be gauged, and they should be asked to do on that instead of making these gimmicks. And I think people's aspiration must be kept, but at the same time, they must sit with it and resolve. Because I think the main issue is, as I understand, is finally about one is that who hold Hyderabad, where the whole money has been spent internationally, which should be resolved. I think, but people have to have their own master of their own fates in that way. Thank you very much.